How to turn on or turn off check spelling on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Next, go down and tap on Check Spelling. Now in here, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that is how you can turn on or turn off keyboard check spelling as you type on the iPhone 16 series. Now if I go and open up my notes in here, if I put in some word, important, and here it shows a red line. So the red underscore is to indicate that my spelling is not correct. So if I tap on it, it will offer me to correct it by using the suggestion down here. So I can use the suggestion down here to correct my spelling mistake. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.